I do not feel safe.
Fuck. Hey, play well. It's going to be on YouTube. Play well. Play well.
We really should play a game of shovel hockey. Straight shovel hockey. You expect some goals? Yeah. We gotta. Just ruining the game for everyone.
Hi. Oh, fuck. Sorry. Cars. So. Oh shit! I get it on record. Oh.
Fantastic cover drive.
Good shot.
We need to do this when everyone's here. We have a great crowd going. Got it! Couldn't get a bigger blade.
Oh shit. هذه مباراة الرجبي الأسترالية. This is a special rugby union of Queensland. This is the flood 2011. This is Brisbane, St. Lucia. And yes. The game is finished. We have halfway. Give the players first.
Players first.
Made up their own game.
2011 St. Lucia Brisbane flood. Now we are with the coach. What's the game? What do you think the game is today? How?
It's all-star cricket.
Cricket. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think is the game today? Who's doing well?
They just went out and gave 110%.
110%. What do you think today?
All I did was drinks.
Sponsorship manager, assistant coach.
Just get us through it. Assistant coach.
Yes. What do you think of the game?
Boys played well today.
Good job. Good job. Cars coming. Captains. What do you think the game is today? What's your name, Matty?
Matt.
Matt, we'll be on YouTube, okay? What's the game today? What do you think?
Oh, look, bit of a rough wicket. Shoveling outfield, very slow outfield.
Yes?
Ball's a bit waterlogged.
Okay. Alright, so we go to the assistant captain, vice captain.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah. What do you think?
Full credit to the boys. Played
Yes.
a tough game,
Yeah.
but we mixed it up a bit. Introduced an inflated soccer ball instead of a
Yep.
traditional cricket ball. But yeah, I'm happy with the effort. Thanks, boys.
YouTube coming soon. Yeah, what do you think of the game today?
Yeah, it was a good game. Everyone
game.
played well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was
Alright.
impressed with everyone's
Anything
performance.
you could do better today?
Yeah, obviously, you know, hit it a bit better, but that's cool.
Thank you. Anything you want to say?
We'll think about getting a few major sponsors.
Yep.
4X for 1,
Yep.
Coca-Cola.
Alright.
Yeah, that's what we're working on.
Thank you very much today. Anything you want to add?
We've had problems with the pitch in the last 4 days.
Yep.
There's been a bit of water damage on here as well. Rain a bit during the week. It's got a bit wet out here,
Yes.
but
Yes.
it's not too bad.
Not too bad. Okay. Anything you want to add today?
Yeah, everyone knows that shovel hockey is a game of numbers, and
Yep.
all the numbers are adding up to 4x goal.
Yep.
Yeah, credit to the boys.
What? Anything you want to add today?
I'd just like to thank the curator
Okay.
for doing such a good job for the pitch.
Thank you. Anything you want to add today?
Mate, my boys did a pretty good job. 110% for a muddy pitch. Bit
Yeah.
of debris on the field, but a good game nonetheless.
Okay. Guys, what do you want to do with it? Anything today? Any good game? No.
No, sorry, buddy.
Okay. Nobody. Nothing. Okay. What do you want the name of the YouTube will be on so you know all?
Street hockey 2011 flood.
No, you've got to add
Australian street hockey.
So because you will know that's yours. Give me a name that you all recognize.
Street stick solid.
Or make it simple and to the like
Australian street hockey.
Australian street hockey. When happy?
Wait.
Yeah, you need to put Brisbane and flood in there.
Yeah.
What about flood hockey?
Yeah.
Why don't we just merge all the words and make it like flood something?
Brisbane flood hockey.
Blood hockey.
Brisbane Flood Hockey 2011.
Yep, Brisbane flood hockey.
Done.
Okay.
When can we expect to see ourselves?
Give me anyone. You just take my phone number and we keep in touch. Anyone? Just in case, you know.
We can write it in mud.
You got like a Facebook or something?
Yeah, but that's just numbers, easy.
No, wait.
Oh, no,
I have
no.
a phone here.
0.
04
04
30
30
468
468
747.
747.
That's it. Done. Thank you,
thank you,
assistant
mate.
coach.
No, I'm the
Thank you very
coach.
much. The coach.
Yeah,
Did you replace the coach already?
I was the coach.
Oh, you was the
No,
coach. Okay,
I'm
sorry, but
the
okay.
assistant.
Assistant.
We stand back and watch the boys
Okay.
do their thing.